Hello, welcome to our short video about mathematics. My name is Mr. Veron and I am the Head of Faculty here at Queen Elizabeth High School. We have a strong team of 9 specialist maths teachers plus a dual-trained physics and maths teacher. And this means that the same teachers who teach you in Year 7 on your very first steps at Queen Elizabeth High School will be the same teachers who see you through your GCSE and, should you choose to, A-level or perhaps even university admissions exams.
I feel like primary school math is it doesn't go as much into detail into all the topics, however in secondary you really go deep into the detail and you learn a lot more.
In primary school maths you only get one thing to do in a whole class, but in secondary school sometimes you get individual questions for different stages of people.
They're quite nice, and if you have any questions they would rather you ask than not ask.
So if you feel like they're scary, then you've got the wrong idea because they are actually really understanding.
Yeah.
Most of the teachers are very nice. Well, it really depends on your behaviour and if you think they would like you.
I enjoyed algebra the most. I just find it really interesting and fun.
I really like doing angles and algebra.
I've enjoyed doing Pythagoras theorem.
I just think that learning new things that we haven't done before in primary school in Year 7 have been the best bits.
You'll learn a lot of new and exciting mathematics here, but sometimes you'll revisit old topics in greater depth. Here we can see some Year 7 work on sequences, followed by some A-level work on sequences. A-level math is a popular choice at Queen Elizabeth High School, and although numbers vary year on year, there are usually between 40 and 70 students studying for the qualification.
I enjoy maths because maths links to a lot of other subjects, and when I put those links together, overall it helps me perform better in both maths and the other subjects which I'm taking.
Most of the time people are doing work and you can just put your hand up and ask anything and they'll answer it as long as it's not inappropriate.
I often ask the people next to us.
You can also ask the teachers because they're quite, especially in Year 7, as you're new to the new teaching methods, you can always ask the teachers and they're quite understanding about it.
You can revise on My Maths, which is always good.
All students have access to the My Maths website, which contains lessons and practice questions for all the topics, all the way up to Year 13. From September 2021, all students will have access to the Caboodle resources, which are online textbooks and other things to help support the learning in the classroom.
After the set work's been done, the teacher normally sets extra challenges on the board if you finished.
Next year, we'll be taking part in the UK Maths Trust Junior Maths Challenge. Here's some examples of some questions. Feel free to pause the video and have a go. The answers will be at the end.
Physics is one of my best subjects, and although maths isn't, I wouldn't be as good in physics without maths because there's several equations that you've got to get your head around.
It's just to find out what level you're at in maths and any subject, so it's not actually that scary as long as you just study.
Overall, it's just it's to help you more than anyone else.
Over the last 10 years, only 2 students have failed to pass GCSE Maths, and approximately 50% of our students go on to achieve one of the higher grades, that is a 7, 8 or 9.
Well, I enjoy maths because I like how it interacts with the world around me and how I can see it in different ways by doing different calculations.
I enjoy maths because it's challenging and the teachers push you to your best ability.